This is flooded area in our region, so we are suffering so much uh, from flood, and we are really flood affected people in the world. In our region, there is nothing to see us. How can we lead our lives so badly? Please stay with me and please give me your donation if you have so. So please look. There are a lot of auto rickshaw and there are a lot of CNG. CNG, that means compressed natural gas. So everything is running on the street. The street is very what is the street in our region? So the street is very well, very concreted street, and in this situation we are leading our lives so badly. Nothing to say about it, but I'm picking up my videos for subscribe, for views on my YouTube's. Otherwise, I have nothing. I have nothing. The purpose of anything. So, please look. The water is coming down day by day because the sun is very heat. The sun is very hot for the day today. Today is very warm, and we are getting so much heat from the sun. And let's look at the auto rickshaw who is washing his auto rickshaw. Uh, my both sides are so much plants which are floating on the water.